Stanley with the 3Fs, food, fragrance, and fitness. Today, our special guest will be Bentley for Men Intense, a new one for me to the collection. Nice office wear, nice casual, a little goes a long way, so keep that in mind. When I say main accords, it's woodsy, warm and spicy, balsamic, rum, smokiness, and then fresh spices. Bentley is an Oriental spice, which is just something different that you can add to your collection. Bentley for Men Intense was launched in 2013. The notes behind the fragrance are bergamot, black pepper, bay leaves. Middle notes are sage, cinnamon, rum, and some woodsy notes in there. And then the base notes: leather, benzoin, incense, cedar, and patchouli. Patchouli is definitely one of my favorites. It's just a good, I would say, one to add to your collection. A little bit different. You won't see, everybody wearing this fragrance. Like I said, it's a spicy, woodsy kind of fragrance to have. It projects. Longevity is there. When I think about rating, from 1 to 10, I would say the scent, I give it about a 7.8. Really good scent, different, Oriental, like I said earlier. Longevity, about 8.6. The sillage, about 8.2. And then, of course, beautiful bottle, just like the vehicle, about an 8. Top notes, I really like the way the bergamot and the black pepper, it really shines through at the beginning. Really good middle too with the rum and the woodsy notes. And then when you think about just settling down and it's calmed down, the cedar, the patchouli, and the sandalwood is just the star of the show. Bentley Intense for Men, cologne for me, it attracts attention. So, a little goes a long way. It's a provocative men cologne, as I would say. The name Bentley. What I would say, it's infused with rich ingredients. That mix of what they did with the woodsy, spicy, with turning it into an Oriental spray. The top notes with that bergamot and then the leaves, they all come together. It wears well, like I said earlier, in the office, wears on a casual night. It's a great fragrance just to add to your cologne, to wear something different on different occasions. Something to try. Just wanted to come to you with a quick review, or quick thoughts on this one. I would say go out and try it. Let me know what you think about it. So if you like this type of video, hit the like button, please. If you like videos like this, please subscribe to your channel so you don't miss any future videos. And then leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you think about Bentley for Men Intense, and then any other cologne that's in your collection that I might review.